Good day fam, I'm MC. Today, in front of me are two flame-grilled cheeseburgers from Burger King. In short, they're 2 for 125 promo. I'll be attempting to finish these two as fast as I can. I can't tell if I can finish these two in a minute or two or less, but I'll give it a try. Let's get these burgers down. 1, 2, 3, go! One minute and 19 seconds. Not bad for a beginner like me, but it's an improvement from my previous challenge. One more self-challenge before I take on a big-time food challenge. You'll know soon. I hope you like this video on how I train myself for any big-time food challenge. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more of my videos. Until next time, I'm MC.